Hi, I'm Kimberly, and I'm the owner and blogger behind Sweet Red Poppy. As a blogger, I try to inspire other people to create because I feel like creating brings you so much joy. I know as someone who has dealt with anxiety and depression, I've had to find a way to kind of funnel all of those emotions. The thing I love about sewing is that you can create something from nothing. I mean, you just hold out this piece of fabric and it's this blank canvas, and you can create anything that you can imagine. So in the very beginning, my craft room, it was our dining room table, honestly. It was a circle table and it was terrible for sewing. My stuff was all stored in a closet, so it was dark and I would have to pull my machine out of the closet, set everything up, and then put everything away before we had to eat. And it was really frustrating because I felt like I was spending so much of my time just on setup and takedown that I didn't really have a chance to be creative. Now that I have the Dreambox, everything is just displayed so beautifully, and it's so inspiring to me to see all the bright colors and to know exactly what I have, because then I can think about what I want to make. So I started out with the Dreambox and it was amazing. I love the Dreambox because it has so much space for organization, but I did want a way that I could craft right next to it. So then I added on the DreamCart, and I love the DreamCart. I love that it folds up and that I have access to everything underneath it. And then I added on the sew station, and I love this as well because I spent a few years looking for a sewing machine table that I felt would fit into my space and complement my style, and I never found it. I looked for years. And what I was looking for was something that was functional but also beautiful. And when I found this table, I knew that it was the perfect fit because it has both function and I have the ability to access everything I need on both sides, but it's also beautiful and I can close it up and store it away, and it fits perfectly in my sewing room. Now I can just walk into my craft room and I can create whatever I want to create because my sewing machine is ready to go, my Cricut is over here, I have access to everything I need, and I have so much more time to create now.